Hi, my name is Rachel Dascoli, and I'm the mom who invented Burp Gear. I came up with my invention because of a need. I had Evan, my second son, who spit up all over me all the time, and I was just getting tired of ruining every shirt that I owned. So I decided to look into whether or not there was a burp cloth out there that was maybe more leak resistant or leak proof, and that didn't look so, plain or babyish. And I realized that nothing out there existed. So I found a patent lawyer. I went through the whole patent process. I realized that I really did come up with a great idea to offer caregivers full coverage. And then my mother and my sister and I, we all kind of, an odd group, came together and filed for a trademark. And we sort of have navigated through this uncharted territory together as a team. Let me show you Burp Gear. Burp Gear is a dual panel burp cloth. It simply, attaches with a neckband to one panel. You put it up and over your neck like that, and then it's ready to use. You can shift the baby from side to side, and the babies love this super soft, snuggly fabric. It has a pacifier pouch here on this side. It's leak-proof, so it will not ruin your clothes. And then you simply can make this into a clutch, so you can find it easily in your diaper bag by taking the two panels, lining them up, rolling them down, and simply tucking into the pacifier pouch. You can see that there's no science behind it. It's very, very simple. And then you have your clutch. As you can see, I'm just a normal person. Never thought I'd be an inventor, and I think I really came up with an awesome product that I just wish others would know about. I'm going to go before there's a major breakdown. And thank you just for considering me.